going on, RestoMods Nation? I am with the 67 Fastback GT. This is our current sweepstakes car. We're at the Mustang shop right now, and they're going to help us put in this awesome vintage air conditioning kit for the 67 Mustang Fastback. Over here to my left is the old internals. This car was a factory AC car, and as you can see, it was ready to be replaced. Thanks again to our friends at Vintage Air for providing us with this kit for our 67 Fastback GT. Let's see what's inside these boxes. This is everything that comes in the Vintage Air kit for your 1967 Mustang GT. We are going to put all of this into our 67 Fastback. All right, so we're all finished. Huge shout out to Vintage Air AC for providing this system for our 67 Fastback GT. Let's take a look at what we got going on here. We got our condenser unit here on the front, taking in air, our compressor, and all of our AC hoses fed back behind the motor and into the firewall. And on the interior, our evaporator unit is under the dash on the passenger side, right where the factory one was. Again, we want to throw a huge shout out to Vintage Air. We've used it on past cars and we love it. Blows cold every time and absolutely necessary for the sun in San Diego. And another shout out to the Mustang shop, Andy and Junior, for throwing this install in and getting this interior better than new. We're going to start it up and see how it works and then get out of their way so they can finish up on the door panels and get this thing buttoned up. Let's take a look. And I don't know if you can hear that, but it's blowing. It's ice cold. And it works perfectly. I'm glad I have this awesome RestoMods sweater to keep me warm. And again, thank you to Vintage Air. Thank you to the Mustang shop for helping us out here. Stick around. Thank you for watching this video. And stick around. We got more stuff going on for your 67 Mustang GT coming soon. Check us out at RestoMods.com.